Did is I found that the heat was calling, so I turned it off, and then I found that the fan was in the on position rather than auto, so I turned the fan to the off position, because what I'm suspecting is this green wire, which is typically used for the G terminal right here for the fan, was actually used in the C position to power up the thermostat. So let's see what happens here with the fan removed. So the fan is not calling for heat anymore. So at this point we have two choices. If the thermostat has batteries and the homeowner is okay with working with batteries, oops, we can move this over here to the G terminal, and that's going to just power up the fan when they make a call for heat for the fan. Okay, and then we're gonna go look on the back of the thermostat wire to see how that was ran as well. And if the thermostat doesn't have batteries, then this may not work, or the batteries might run out and there will be no backup. So there's some pros and cons with each one of these, and it always changes based on the preferences of the homeowner. Okay, so right now we are powering this up. It's not tripping. I'm going to go to the thermostat and turn the fan on first, and maybe I'll put the door back on. So now I just installed the door, I turned the fan on, it's running, nothing is tripping or anything like that. Next I'm going to turn the heat on. Okay, here we are. We've got the inducer fan running. We have those LED lights in there blinking at us, and igniter here. Let's see. Since I have my flash on, it's really hard to see that it's actually glowing. Not really working that well, but yeah, flames are on, everything is working well, so problem solved. Looks like a wire just got cross-wired. So yeah, I hope this is helpful. If you want more information on wiring and things like that, I'd be more than happy to help you out.